Hi, I'm Alton and welcome back to my channel. I want to go over something that's very important to you. It's a component on your vehicle that you're probably not using, which is the garage door opener, or Homelink System, as the automobile manufacturers like to call it. Homelink is just a way of taking this little fellow, which is your garage transmitter or garage door opener, and programming it to your automobile. Now, some automobile manufacturers will have it on their sun visor. Some will have it up under the rearview mirror. But it's very important. It's more secure than leaving this into your car at all times, because if someone breaks into your car and grab this, they have your registration, which is in your glove compartment for most people, so they know the directions to your home, and they have this guy, so they can get into your garage. And with some people, they probably leave their door leading out of their house into the garage open, so they have full access to your home, especially if you don't turn on your alarm. And studies show that most people don't use their alarm. Now, there are security measures with your garage. There is a one-stage garage. One stage simply means when programming this to your automobile, all you do is program your transmitter to your automobile. That's a one-stage garage. With a one-stage garage, someone can steal your code if they have the proper equipment. If they do steal your code, then they can actually operate using equipment, they can operate their mechanism to open and close your garage. Two-stage garage takes that a step further. With a two-stage garage, you first want to program this to your automobile and then pull your automobile in front of your garage. Then a second step is program the garage itself to the automobile. So two-stage versus one-stage. One stage, programming this to your automobile, which is the garage that most people have. You're done. Two-stage is programming this to your automobile, and then of course programming the garage to your automobile as well. So that would be two-stage, which is more secure, so no one can pick up your rolling code. I'm going to show you how to do both, so stay tuned with me. We're going to jump outside here, and we're also going to go to the garage to show you the second step. So this item here will look very familiar to someone who has a garage. Of course, this is the remote for your garage. You press the simple button here, opens and closes. You already know that. So what I'm going to do is program this now to the vehicle. So in order to do that, I'm going to take your 1 and 3. Now you can see the 3 different buttons here. I'm going to do 1 and 3. It's like this on a majority of cars. I know Audi's are going to be a little bit different, but on the majority of cars, it's exactly like this. Process is the same. All you have to do is follow the steps. Press 1 and 3. Press and hold. Now, there's always an indicator, which I will show you a bit later. With the indicator, what it does is shows you when the vehicle is, or the remote's programmed to the car. So when I press 1 and 3 along the bottom, you're going to notice, and hopefully you can see that, that is your indicator there, which is in the form of a house. So as I'm pressing 1 and 3, notice the indicator's orange. When it's cleared, it starts to blink green. So all 3 have been completely cleared out. So what you want to do from here, you got your transmitter in one hand, just to show you how easy this is. You're going to take the transmitter and right up under the rearview mirror. Now yours may be on your sunroof visor. So if it's not up under your rearview mirror, it may be on your sunroof visor tip here. It could be anywhere, just depending on where the manufacturer decided to put it. So from here, I've already cleared it. Going to press and get this as close to the rearview mirror as possible. I'm going to press 1 and the transmitter, garage transmitter button at the same time. Now notice the indicator, which is the house there. When that changes, that shows that it's programmed. So I can release and then press 1 again to lock it in. Now one more time, because I have 3 steps, or not 3 steps. I'm sorry. This is just 1, 2, 3. You can program it to the first, second, or third button. So I'm only doing it 3 times. Just to show you how easy it is. Get it as close as you can. Press and hold both buttons at the same time. And notice the indicator there. The indicator shows you when it goes from orange to green that it's locked in. And then you're just going to press your button one more time to lock it in. So it's connected when it flashes green, and then press the button one more time to lock that in. So with your car in running position, you want to have your engine turned on. Next thing you're going to do, I'm going to take you into the garage here, and that's what you're looking for right there, folks. That is the motor that lets your door up and down. And what we want to do is climb up. Now, I'm not going to take the cover off of their garage or their motor But if you look right inside, see that yellow button there? Yellow button dead smack center of the screen. That is your discovery button. What you want to do is press that. Now, as soon as you press that, you're going to have 30 seconds to make it to your car. So I'm going to walk you through this. Uncover it, press your discover button. When you press your discover button, you're going to have 30 seconds to make it to your car. So we're going to make our way out to the vehicle. We're going to sit inside. So if you're sitting inside of your car on your Volvo, and most cars, your buttons are right up underneath here. So all you're going to do from here is press 1, 2, release. 1, 2, release. 1, 2, release. If you have a two-stage garage, your garage door will start to move. So it opens up or closes when you press the button here. Now, notice your indicator there? That's what you want to focus on. Every car has one. So there again, focus on that as you're doing it. Hopefully you have an opportunity to completely enjoy your garage door opener. It's as easy as pressing the button on this thing, which came from your garage door manufacturer, to pressing the button on the automobile. So one thing that you're not using, you definitely should. Take time to enjoy your vehicle and all the options that it currently has.